Hi everyone. Today's video features challenge 1 of a 3-challenge series. Challenge 1, pick and play operation. Let's get started. Here is the system map of this operation. This operation have 2 main jobs: picking up and dropping off. The operation will moving between 4 positions: the home, pick up, above drop off and drop off positions. How is the sequence? Picking up operation. From home position, the gripper moves to the pickup location. After picking up the item, it will go back to home position. At home position, it will start the dropping off operation. The gripper with item move to above drop off position. Then move to drop off location and drop item off. After dropping off, the gripper will be moved up to above drop off and go back home position to complete the operation. The whole sequence will repeat automatically. Thank you for watching.